Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My lovely wife. So I got a good one for you today. If you don't like blood, change to a different video. You don't want to watch this one. Let's get started. So I thought since it was snowing out today, it would be a good time to get the drone out and fly it. I hadn't flown it in a while. It was a little rusty, but I got some good videos of the snow. But I also crashed my drone right into this post on the porch. And then, like a big dummy, I decided it would be a good idea for me to pick the thing up. And you can guess what happened next. That finger, pinky finger, pointer finger. Trust me, it hurts. You do not want to do that. It's absolutely beautiful out here.
I got that on video. Did you tear it up? Don't cut your finger off. Uh-oh, you're bleeding. Did you cut yourself?
I did.
Thank you.
Turn off. So the drone is fine. I, on the other hand, am not. It hurt my pride more than it did my fingers. A few drops of blood won't hurt anything. But anyway, I'm glad the drone is okay. I know that it's okay because I can hit the startup button and let it do its thing. Now, here's what I did wrong. First of all, I freaked out. Second of all, my thought was hold down the button on the top of the drone. I don't know why that is. Maybe that's a way to do it. I don't know, but that is not how you do it. To shut the drone off in an emergency, you want to hold down this lock button. And it'll kill it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this weird video today. Hope you enjoyed it at my expense. See you guys.